Okay, here is the Canon A-1 overall conditions. Yeah. And here is the battery compartment. We're using one 4LR44 battery. Then just close it. So because this camera, the battery door is cracked, so you can use this grip to cover it. Yeah, like that. After that, just lock it by screw or something. Okay, the next thing to check whether your battery have power or not is quite easy. When you click this, yeah, you see here is keep blinking, which means that it's okay. Next thing, by pulling here to open back cover, inside will be like this. Here is the sample film, so we just put inside and push the rewind knob in. If it can't in like this, maybe you turn a bit, then yeah, it will lock it. Then the flame tip, insert into any hole at here. Okay, insert properly and make sure that your flame is flat. Then you just wind it. Oops, yeah, you see it's not successful, so maybe I insert a bit deep. Okay, yeah. Okay, like this it's okay. Then just close it. How to make sure whether you have loaded the film properly is quite easy. When you wind the film, look at here, it will wind together. Yeah. And for this camera, is quite cool is because you can adjust the mode from shutter priority TV to aperture priority or program mode. You can adjust by here. Here got the dial. Yeah. When you switch to P, which means that it's program mode, then you just adjust to f16 and click the button at here, Ctrl A. Then all the way you just need to focus will do, as it's now fully auto. When you half press, the bottom part here will show you the current shutter speed on the left side and the aperture. Okay, if you switch to here, which means that is shutter priority, where you select the shutter speed and the camera select the aperture for you. We see 1/500 shutter speed, the camera will be how? Yeah, you see it keep blinking, which means that the current setting is not available, or it will be underexposed or overexposed. So we adjust a bit. Yeah, you see it's okay already. When it doesn't blink, which means that it's okay to shoot. Then here is the focus. Then next, by turn this, yeah, then you can adjust the aperture by yourself. Then the camera will select the shutter speed for you. Like this one is f8 and the shutter speed is 1/3. Yeah, it will be slower. Then if I increase to f1.4, then we shall see, yeah, the shutter speed is 1/90. So overall it's like this. And here is for the double expose. When you click to here, then it will be double expose, which means that you can have two frames in one frame. Yeah, two shots in one frame, sorry. And here is the ISO setting. You, according to the white line at here, and here have a silver thing, you just press it and turn it, yeah, to the current ISO of your camera, you do. And when you want to take out the lens, for this is an SSC lens, so we just twist the silver metal at the back and take it out like that. When you want to equip the red dot, match with the red dot, put it and turn the silver ring will do. And if you didn't use it, take out the battery will do. Yeah, hope you enjoy. Oh yeah, when you should finish the film, here we record how many shots we have took. When you finish it, how to know is quite easy. When you wind until you feel that there is a resistance that you cannot wind anymore, then you stop it and press the button at the bottom here. After press, flip here up, and here have an arrow showing you the rewind way. So you just rewind until it becomes loose. Then it's, which means that it's okay, and just take out the film will do.